Crocheters, knitters, and creatives of all kinds have so much talent, so much passion, and so much skill to share. My goal here on this channel is to show you by example how you can start and grow your own YouTube channel using a free to low cost setup. That way you can focus on what you love while you build an engaged community and maybe even earn a little something in the process, sharing your passion right here on the YouTube streets. So ultimately, the challenge here is to get this channel monetized. I started this channel so that I can show you in real time what it takes to get your channel monetized. What does it take to grow your channel? Every Tuesday morning, I'm going to provide you with updates. They're going to be complete with behind the scenes analytics walkthroughs so that you can get comfortable with the analytics, know what they mean, what it means for your channel, and how to use that to kind of propel you. Analytics really can be your rocket fuel if you want to launch your channel, if you want to grow your channel. The analytics really are the key because they tell you literally everything that you need to know so that you can improve every single video. I'm also going to be uploading weekly videos every single Friday morning. Now, these videos are going to help you build a community, grow your channel. They're going to be on a wide variety of topics, all designed around that. Promise you, I'm going to make mistakes. I'm flawsome, awesomely flawed. I will make mistakes. I'm not an expert. I'm here to prove that anybody can build and grow a channel. I'm going to do everything in my power to get you the information that you need. All I ask is in the comments section of the videos, ask your questions. Tell me what you need. Because everybody's YouTube journey is different. Every need is different. I might need to learn analytics, but somebody else might be having issues with confidence. Confidence is a muscle. You have to flex it. Flex it. It's fine. Anyway, that's what I'm here for. So starting next week, I'm going to show you everything that has happened this week. We're going to go through the analytics and discuss different things that we're kind of keeping track of because you deserve the best. And you deserve transparency. So let's make that happen, shall we?